Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the Mercedes S-Class like you've never seen before. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of luxury, technology, and futuristic design. From the very first glance, the presence of this machine leaves you speechless. Look at the front, the bold illuminated grille, the ultra-thin LED headlights, and that aggressive stance make it feel like a vision straight out of the future. Move around to the back and you'll notice the seamless LED tail light strip, the elegant curves, and the powerful wide stance that scream class and authority. Every detail has been crafted to perfection, blending elegance with performance. Now, step inside. The interior is where Mercedes has completely redefined luxury. The widescreen digital dashboard stretches beautifully, displaying every detail in crystal clarity. The futuristic steering wheel with touch controls feels more like piloting a spaceship than driving a car. The center console houses a massive, vertical screen surrounded by ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. Soft premium leather, metallic trims, and the quietness of the cabin remind you that this is not just a drive. It's an experience. But it's not only about looks. The S-Class is packed with cutting-edge technology, from intelligent driving assistance to next-level comfort features that make every ride effortless. It feels less like a vehicle and more like a sanctuary on wheels. So if you thought you'd already seen everything Mercedes could offer, think again. This S-Class proves that luxury and innovation have no limits.